The major problem of this country where they call Nigeria is the Hausa and Funanis. They say that this Fulani young boy you don't come outside, they'll come blast your own people, saying that them be the problem upon say they gain power. May they give Igbo people chance, may Igbo people rule, but fortunately the Igbo say they one day their own country. No be small thing, as that one day happen, they say that the men of ESN don't go for one cap wey dey for Uzuwala, wey Fulani people dey camp o, they say they don't enter there, na so Fulani come run comot. My people, as that one dey happen o, they say those people wey they go call number, they go call you, tell them say they be gentle, they be ESN, they be Biafra Liberation Army, say they be Umuoma, may they bring something so that they go protect you, or they say hand don't meet those people. However, let's go and check how these things take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. Yeah, my people, make sure say you share this video. Let's quickly drop into the ogbonge news wey we get for our hand today. They say those people wey be say they go call people, they tell them say they be Umuoma, say they be ESN, say may they bring something so that they go protect them if they come village. They say hand don't meet them. So I'm going to play the video for you to watch how they tell they talk, how they tell they roll the matter. Okay, my people, watch the video before we come back and continue.
Wake Kedafa. Shidera onye. Obidialo. Onye ebe. Ke village in Ezinifte. Umuogo. Afọ ole ka ede. Ke school ị na-aga. Boys.
Yes, sir.
Secondary school.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oga ke afa gị.
Akabudo Chisomi Emmanuel.
Akabudo.
Akabudo Chisomi Emmanuel.
Akabudo Chisomi Emmanuel.
Yes, sir.
Onye ebe.
Onye Ezinifte.
Ke village in Ezinifte.
Umuokparike.
Umuokparike na Ezinifte Nnewi.
Yes, sir.
How ole ka ede.
18 years.
15 years.
18 going to 19.
18 years going to 19.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ede. Ị ka no school.
Yes, sir.
Ke school ị nọ.
Yes, sir. Our girls.
Our girls.
Yes,
Ke ị nọ.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ke ihe mere unu ji nọ n'ebe a?
Yeah, maka ego pineapple mmadụ.
Okono napụrụ mmadụ ego. Nwoke, ke ihe mere iji nọ n'ebe a? Ke ka isi gwụwa ya?
I got an phone, say, and I went and actually, and I went to mom, and I know I want to recommend no sign or senior send there and a good I will protect here, not a latter December. Now, one of my non a latter December, latter deceive, latter Ulu December. But to send this era in
E gwara nya gwana mageti man ya.
I go not gonna get money, I can get money and more for more get money and even no Nigeria, my own chamania. And I want the negotiable to August, a lot of us in 2 months.
Okay. Now, ego gịnị ka ego ya sendere gị?
As in your send there any ego man going to go for.
Ego mbọ ka ego ya sendere gị?
Yes, sir.
Ego o sendiri gị ego a?
Yes, sir.
Ego ne ka o sendere unu?
150.
150,000.
Yes, sir.
Unu kerie ego.
Yes, sir.
Ọnụ gwara nya abata n'ụlọ December.
Anya gwanya but I say anya abata ụlọ December, mana o ji abata nya gwana get money na ọ na-abata ụlọ December.
Okay. So unu nwa bụ ndị a na-ada akpọwa ndị mmadụ na phone.
Mba.
Na-eme ihe niile a.
Mba,
How do you get it? Ka isi nweta nọmba ya?
na onye mụ na-ebiri ka nsi wete nọmba ya.
Ka isi nweta n'aka onye gị na-ebiri?
Phone ya na ka nsi wee repụta ya.
Na phone onye a ka epere ya?
Yes, sir.
Ka afọ onye a gị na-ebiri?
Kalori na-eze ego.
Eh?
Kalori na-eze ego, nwunye elu ka eze ego.
Isi na ka isi were phone ya wee pepụta dị nọmba.
Ọ mụ na-ebi phone ya, mụ na-akpọrọ onye ọchọ ịkpọ mmadụ, mụ na-akpọrọ ya.
I wepere dị nọmba dị.
Yes, sir.
Wee threaten wee nwoke mmadụ. Ọkwa gụnwa bụ onye mechakwara akpọkwa ya maka ego wayek.
Yes, sir.
O sendigo nke ahụ.
Yes, sir.
Oke nke a ga nọ pipeline.
No, I will watch it that day, go the next day, or soon, and after that day, I was in my car.
Agwazie maka ya ọzọ. Tako nsi anapụ ndị mmadụ ego. Na, thank you.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, and na the people wey they call Mooma for inside phone call, na them be that. However, let's quickly jump into this ogbonge news. Go know wetin dey happen for this area. They say that the Fulani young boy don't come outside, say that they prevent them for saying the truth for so long, as it's a time for them to saying the truth. Say the Igbos need to give chance in Nigeria to become the president. Let's watch the video before we come back and continue.
Come, let me tell you the major problem of Nigeria. The major problem of Nigeria is northern part of the country. Northern Nigeria are the major problem of Nigeria. If you want to see conflict, northern Nigeria. Rape, northern Nigeria. Refugees, northern Nigeria. Thieves, in fact, if you want to see thieves stealing on an industrial scale, come to northern Nigeria. Thieves fully engaged in primitive accumulation, come to northern Nigeria. In fact, I am from northern Nigeria. I am proud to be an indigenous of Borno State. I am from Borno State. I am proud to be an indigenous of Borno State, from the northern part of the country. But I want to tell you that the major problem of this country is northern part of the country. These are people, if you want to see hatred, if you want to see conflict, if you want to see nepotism, cronyism, any other thing you can label. In fact, northern, if you carve out southern part of the country from Nigeria and give it 10 years, they are going to be recognized among community of nations because of the development they will have. 70% of the people who govern this country are from the northern part of the country. But if you want to see hunger, starvation, and any other thing, it's from the north. Why? We are the major problem. But our people doesn't want us to be speaking the truth. And that is why we continue to somersault in this kind of issue. So please, me, I am on the opinion, 2027, let's give Igbo a chance. Because I strongly believe, in fact, I am enthusiastically strong believe that the Igbos can be able to handle this country's affairs because they have economic infrastructure to fix this country. Look at what is happening today. Look at what is happening today. In fact, on a daily basis, on our television screen, what you see, they are sad news. They are sad news. There is no single thing, no opportunity that has not been given to the northern part of the countries, but they have not been utilizing it appropriately. So please, let's give Igbo a chance. That is my opinion. Let's give Igbo a chance. I strongly believe Igbo can be able to handle this country economy. Let's give Igbo a chance. That is my opinion. Me, I'm speaking my opinion. And because I am saying we should give Igbo a chance, let's keep our differences aside. Let's keep the issue of ethnicity aside. Let's keep the issue of religion aside. Let's keep any selfish ambition aside and equally try the Igbos. They have not been used in this country completely. We have not been using Igbos. We have not been giving them ministers. We have not been giving them any position in this country. So please, it is my opinion that I'm saying. And because I am saying that we should give Igbo a chance, does not mean that we don't have people from the northern part of the country that can govern us well. But I am saying we should give the Igbo. Let them equally try their own luck. Let them try their best. Me, I strongly believe they will make it. And they can make this country to be a better place. That is my opinion. So thank you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, say don't hear them with your 2 ear. As that one they happen, now would they get information? Say ESN don't go boss one camp where belong to Fulani for inside Uzunwala. Let's play the video before you watch. I will come back and continue.
Land and Fulani are here to destroy us, or they will go because this is our land. We are not here. We are here to protect our land, and Fulani are here to destroy us. But we are in their camp in Ishago Street, Block Anta. Yes, we are here life and death. This is our land. They are here to destroy us. Oh my God.
This is their camp. Yeah, capo de Fulani. I am Bella, Bayoko. I am Bella Ebana, he destroy their camps. Haba Fushala. This February 25th.
Please, that video is longer than this. You can as well watch it in our So go to our space and go and watch it over there. Yeah, my wonderful people. Now so it be, and I will say more bring and come show you, may you know what they happen for the area. And make sure say you share the video for more updates as it is hot. To support us, now to share our video and also comment and let us know your own opinion for inside comment section. My people, we go talk this about this video for inside comment section. Share the video and make sure say they follow this page. Okay, thank you so much for watching.